Today I'm in beautiful St. Paul, Minnesota, visiting my dear friend and master plein air painter, Joe Paquet. Check it out, it's gonna be awesome.
Here it is, dude. Check it out. There it is. I love this outside of the door. This is so cool. Take that. That's killer. There he is. Look at that. Look at that. Joseph. Look at this place. Look at this place. Dude, I'm making a YouTube video, dude. Check this out. Look at this nice, clean palette organization.
Beauty in all things.
Look at that. That's right. You have an aesthetic here. I was going to show this to people. This carries over. His surroundings carry over into the beauty of his work from the beauty of the studio itself. Mr. Joe Paquet, ladies and gentlemen. He needs no introduction. There he is right there.
This is the man. See ya. Yeah, later, dudes.
He's got unity and variety and organization all in one painting. This guy is amazing.